Hey everyone! Today we're diving into Tangible Clean, a multi-purpose contact lens solution perfect for all lens types. Whether you wear scleral, gas permeable, hybrid, or soft lenses, this solution covers all your cleaning, rinsing, storing, and conditioning needs. It effectively removes deposits and debris, ensuring your lenses stay clear and comfortable throughout the day. Tangible Clean is specially formulated to be lighter and more refreshing, reducing irritation during your cleaning routine. Plus, it comes with a convenient lens case, making lens care simple and efficient wherever you go. If you want a reliable solution that keeps your lenses fresh and comfortable, Tangible Clean is a great choice. Try it out and enjoy a clearer, more comfortable lens-wearing experience every day. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.